What's up, guys? Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe, your guitar whacking, safe cracking buddy. I'm going to be coming back and doing some test of the Icon locking flex head ratchet set. Pretty cool. I'm going to be doing a review on that. I got a bunch of tools in here. I have not done reviews in a long time. Just been doing a lot of safes. Been busy, guys. I've been hustling. Becoming the go-to guy for safes in my area, which is always good. So what are we up to today? Well, we're going to take that guy. We got about a half hour to go meet a guy. We're going to be going to a high school that was built in 1929. It's Maine East, as far as I understand, out in Park Ridge, Illinois. Some notables from there: Hillary Rodham Clinton, boo, and then Harrison Ford. So yeah, those are two guys that went to school there. They have a safe that they found. It was in the bookstore. Hasn't been opened since the 70s. So all I'm taking is literally that. It's a wall safe. Hall Marvin, way old school. I'm taking some drill bits and touch-up kits. That's all I should need. I'm not taking any of that. Just touch-up kits, some drill bits, and scopes. It's going to be basically a scope and poke a hole in it, scope it, decode it. What are they going to be doing with it? Probably nothing. I think they're actually going to be putting it in a display from historical significance items. So that'll be cool. I guess I go down in history with the two then. I'm going to give them a little old-fashioned blueprint with it, which I got from my database. And grabbing a quick lunch, grabbing my water, and I'm going to go head over there now. So we'll show you what we got. I'm going to upload a quick picture right here. All right, so that's a 1920s, probably earlier, maybe even earlier than that. Rotary safe. It's basically designed, you dial it. When you retract the bolts, all the bolts, there's 3 of them, retract in, and then that hinge on the top actually allows you to turn it and pull it straight out, and then there was a bolt on the corner. You're able to actually flip it up and it holds itself out of the way. Don't know, never really worked on one before, to be honest with you, so I'm sort of looking forward to it. Next week we got a nice old Diebold. I'm going to be doing a lot of work on that guy. It's old school. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to take a bunch of cool pictures. So we'll be back. Take care, guys. Hey guys, Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe. Just wrapping up that HHM Hall Marvin wall safe that we opened up for the customer. No problems there. Opened it up. Unfortunately, it was empty. It was out of probably a 1920s, 1930s era safe. Long and short on that is I'm going to upload a couple pictures here of the actual safe. The actual safe lock body itself has 3 or 4 lugs on it, and as the combination gets entered onto the safe, there's actually a rotating gear on the side, which I'll upload a couple pictures here. And the rotating lug actually locks behind the lugs that are on the base of the safe, or the unit of the safe. Then the head is able to be removed when the proper combination is dialed. It turns it about, I don't know, 10-15 degrees, just enough to clear the keyway of the actual safe, allowing it to be removed. And typically what's called for floor safes and wall safes, when they're rotary type like that, is the head. The head is basically just the round section that's removable. Obviously the base stays either in the wall or in the ground or wherever it's mounted. and the head is removable. But either way, that was an easy one, pretty easy. Guy was really happy. Unfortunately, it was empty though, so no big deal. We'll be back though, and we'll wrap up. We're going to go do some quick tool updates. Hey guys, Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe. Hope you're doing well. We're going to do another quick tool review since we're in the shop cleaning up a little bit today. This tool is from CV Charles Victor. What is it? It's an adapter for driving off either bolts or screws or nuts or whatever you want to drive off. Looks weird, right? Check this thing out. It's literally like the 90 degree. They make it in a 45 degree, which I have as well. So let's just say you need to get into a corner and you can't really get to it. So you would use this as your adapter, and what that does, if you could, I'm going to zoom in on this one. Check that out, huh? Isn't that crazy? It's nice because sometimes you need to get around corners of stuff, so then you just take your socket of size, whatever it is, it's a 3/8 inch drive, and yeah, that's what it would be. You could literally drive that stuff. Is it for torque or high-end torque? No, probably not. But yeah, it definitely does a bunch of stuff. I was working on the wife's car this weekend, doing a little bit odds and ends, and took a couple little panels off and this and that, and yeah, check that out. That's pretty cool, huh? Nice. Not sure about the longevity of it, but they make it in this is the 90, they make it in a 45 degree as well, but pretty cool stuff. CV is the company, and it's I bought them right off of Amazon, but yeah, pretty cool. So check that out, guys. CV, and it's a 90 degree hold off. Pretty cool. Alright guys, Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe. Hope you're doing well. So today we got a tool review. This is the Icon locking flex head and ratchet bit set from from Harbor Freight. It's about 50 bucks, so it's not cheap, but sometimes I need some of these oddball stuff. So I bought this, had good reviews about it, and checked it out, and we'll give you a quick review of it. So it comes in this decent case, actually nice case, spring loaded. It's got a little latch on there. So that's what that guy looks like. It's sort of cool, very small obviously, and it's made to be very small. And it's got a feed through head, and if you look at that little white section there, there's a little dot that's actually used to insert this. If you see right there, there's nice indications right there of what that goes to. So you would time that to the actual white section. It'll slide through unless you put it in that section. It'll slide through, and you could use that as a T-turn as well. But if you do put that in, it'll actually stop, physically stop. So like I said, if you want it to slide through, you need to put that into that section that'll allow it. You can see there's like a little cutout there that allows that to slide through. So if you time that to there, it'll go straight through. If you time it any other way, it'll stop on there. And it's a ratchet. It's got a 1/4 inch adapter. This isn't made for heavy use, obviously. It's made for light use, but it's really nice that it's got pivoting. And it's actually pretty sturdy. I mean, it doesn't got hardly any wobble in it, which is not bad at all. Comes in a couple different sets of degrees you could do it at, depending what you need. Yeah, but that's 50 bucks, and it is pretty decent. It's got a pretty decent set of teeth on there. Like you said, you're not using this for torquing anything. It's just literally, you know, getting the lightweight fasteners off. But that was from Harbor Freight Icon series, which is supposed to be the lifetime guarantee on everything. Pretty decent stuff. But yeah, check it out. It comes with a set of bits, the 1/4 inch adapter as well for sockets if you want to run a socket on there, something simple. But pretty cool. Check it out, guys. Icon.